Imagine spending thousands of dollars every year on injections like Ozempic or Mounjaro, only to deal with nausea, fatigue, or even long-term risks that we still don't fully understand. Now imagine walking into your local market, picking up a humble green vegetable that looks a little slimy, and discovering it can trigger many of the same powerful pathways in your body, naturally, safely, and without side effects. That vegetable is okra. Most people push it aside because of its slippery texture, yet inside that slime lies one of nature's most remarkable healing substances, mucilage. And here's the secret. It works directly on the very same hormone pathway that these expensive injections target, the GLP-1 system. Today, I'm going to show you how this overlooked vegetable can help balance your blood sugar, lower your cholesterol, protect your gut, reduce inflammation across your body, and even help with appetite control. In other words, it's a natural Ozempic without the needle.
As we age, especially after 60, controlling blood sugar and maintaining a healthy weight become harder than ever. Seniors are often told that the solution lies in powerful new drugs, injectables like Ozempic or Mounjaro. And yes, they can be effective. But here's the hidden problem. These medications cost thousands of dollars each year, they're difficult to access, and they come with side effects ranging from nausea and fatigue to dangerous loss of muscle mass. Even worse, relying only on injections can create a false sense of security. Many seniors believe the drug will do all the work, so lifestyle changes are ignored. The result? Blood sugar swings continue, inflammation worsens, and over time, risks of heart disease, kidney strain, and digestive issues quietly build up. The real tragedy is that many people don't know nature already provides safer options. In fact, one of the simplest, cheapest, and most overlooked foods has been sitting on the dinner table for centuries. The slimy pod that most people avoid is actually a natural powerhouse designed to protect your arteries, your pancreas, and even your brain.
So how does this humble vegetable actually compare to an expensive injection? The secret lies in a hormone called GLP-1. Think of GLP-1 as your body's traffic light. After you eat, it slows down digestion so sugar doesn't rush into your bloodstream. It signals your pancreas to release insulin at just the right time, and it flips the fullness switch in your brain, helping you stop eating naturally. Drugs like Ozempic are simply synthetic versions of this hormone. But okra, thanks to its gooey mucilage, stimulates your own body to release more natural GLP-1. That slime is made of soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge in your gut, soaking up sugar, releasing it slowly, and keeping your blood sugar stable. But that's only the beginning. Okra's mucilage binds to cholesterol and bile acids, sweeping them out of your system like a broom, which lowers LDL cholesterol and protects arteries. And when your gut bacteria digest this fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids, compounds like butyrate, that calm inflammation, heal your gut lining, and even reduce systemic inflammation in your joints, brain, and blood vessels. In simple terms, what people are paying thousands of dollars for in injections, nature already built into okra.
Now, here's where many seniors go wrong. Even when they know okra is healthy, they make mistakes that prevent them from getting the full benefit. Mistake number 1, throwing away the slime. Most people rinse or overcook okra to get rid of the gooey texture. But that mucilage is the very compound that triggers GLP-1, stabilizes blood sugar, and lowers cholesterol. Lose the slime, and you lose the medicine. Mistake number 2, eating it only once in a while. Okra isn't a miracle food if you eat it once a month. Like any natural therapy, consistency matters. To see lasting improvements in digestion, cholesterol, and inflammation, it has to be a regular part of your meals. Mistake number 3, drowning it in oil or frying. Deep frying or heavy breading destroys okra's soluble fiber and loads it with unhealthy fats. The result? Instead of protecting your arteries, you're adding to the problem. Mistake number 4, ignoring balance. Okra works best as part of a senior-friendly diet, high in fiber, colorful vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. Relying only on okra, without addressing overall nutrition, will limit the benefits.
So, how can you actually use okra in your daily life and get the maximum benefit without feeling like you're choking down something slimy? Here are the most practical, science-backed approaches. 1. Add it to soups and stews. When okra cooks slowly in broth, the mucilage blends into the liquid. You still get the soluble fiber, but the texture feels smoother and more pleasant. 2. Try roasting or grilling. A light roast at high heat caramelizes okra, reducing the slime while keeping its fiber intact. Sprinkle it with olive oil and a pinch of sea salt for a senior-friendly side dish. 3. Pair it with probiotics. Because okra's mucilage feeds your gut bacteria, pairing it with probiotic foods like yogurt, kefir, or fermented vegetables creates a powerful synergy. Together, they boost short-chain fatty acids that lower inflammation across your body. 4. Be consistent. For most seniors, just 4 to 6 pods of okra a day, a few times a week, can make a measurable difference in blood sugar, cholesterol, and digestive comfort. The key is regularity, not perfection. 5. Think prevention, not cure. Okra isn't meant to replace your medications overnight. Instead, it works as a long-term ally. By calming inflammation and stabilizing blood sugar naturally, it may reduce your reliance on drugs over time, with your doctor's guidance.
The truth is, nature already designed powerful tools for healing, long before pharmaceuticals existed. Okra is one of those hidden gems. Its mucilage doesn't just mimic the effects of Ozempic, it supports your body in ways no injection can fully match, protecting your arteries, feeding your microbiome, soothing your gut, and calming inflammation throughout your system. For seniors, especially those over 60, this means more than just numbers on a blood test. It means steadier energy, fewer digestive problems, lower risk of heart disease, and the confidence of knowing that something as simple as a vegetable can actively protect your future health. So here's my challenge for you. The next time you see okra in the market, don't push it aside. Give it a chance, whether in a stew, a roasted side dish, or even paired with probiotic foods. That slimy texture you once disliked may be the very thing that saves your arteries and balances your blood sugar. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone you love. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-based, senior-friendly health tips. I'm Dr. Thomas, reminding you that aging can be healthy, strong, and vibrant when you use the gifts nature already provides.